Okay guys, today MotorCarNut here, and we're working on an engine, a 3.7 liter GM Vortec engine. It's found from 2004 to 2012 on the GMC Canyon, the Chevy Colorado, 2006 to 2008 Isuzu I370, that's a pickup truck, and the Hummer, H3 Hummer 2006 to 2010. All with a 3.7 liter engine. That's what this one is. And I'm going to show you today how to set up the timing marks for the balance shaft. I'm going to do a lot of work on these engines, but right now we're going to be setting up the timing on the balance shaft. These are the balance shafts, one here, one here. And the first thing you're going to want to do is get the car a top dead center. Obviously the engine's out. You have to do this with the engine out. I don't know, sometimes I have to say that. What you do is you put it on a compression stroke on the number one cylinder, which is in the front. All right. And you make sure the piston is at top dead center. And once you're at top dead center, you come to the back and the marks should be like this. Okay. This balancer, which is on, when you're looking at the engine, that's on the left side, it's going to be, the mark is going to be 12 o'clock. Okay. The dowel and the crankshaft right here, this is the dowel, not the screw hole. The dowel is going to be at 11 o'clock. This mark on the balance shaft on the right side is going to be about 2:30. 3 o'clock will be like that, 2:30. And then the crank itself on the bottom over here, that's going to be like around 4:30, they say. 6 o'clock will be here, 5 o'clock will be here, 4:30. Okay, now, when you take the chain off, you see the color links? You line them up. You line them up to 1, 2, and 3 marks, the color links, so you don't get it wrong. All right, and then you're going to rotate the engine clockwise 2 times. And you know what you're going to do, because once you rotate it, the links are not going to line up again until you rotate the engine 11 times. But you don't want to do that. Easy way to do it is that once you have the color links before you rotate it, they're all matched up with the marks I just showed you and the times that they're supposed to be at. You make marks on a stationary surface like the block right here to the mark. Okay? Stationary is right here to this mark. And over here, you make a mark here. And down here, you make a mark here. So now what that does is when you turn it 2 revolutions, okay, like I said, the links are going to not line up, but the marks should line up with the hard marks you made on the block and all the other places. And that's how you know it's properly timed and it won't have a serious vibration or anything like that. Okay? And if you want to take the chain off, because you're doing a repair, you're taking the crank out like I'm taking it on this one. You have your 10 millimeters right here, 2 of these. This takes off the tensioner, and then you can just take the chain right off. All right, pretty simple video, straightforward. And then of course you put the cover back on, flywheel, and whatever you have to do. All right, guys, MotorCarNut. Please subscribe, hit the like button. I'm going to be doing a lot of videos on this 3.7 liter, so you may want to watch those too if you're having problems. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Please subscribe, and thank you for watching.